Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's video, I will guide you through the step-by-step process of setting up a proxy in ParseHub. Let's get started. Launch the ParseHub program. If you haven't created a new project yet, start by doing so. In the Projects tab, click on New Project to open a new window with the New Project options. On the left side of the screen, specify the resource you want to work with, such as google.com. Once the URL is set, click on Start Project on this URL. The right side of the screen will display the selected resource, where you can start your work. To set up the proxy, click on the three bars at the top right and choose Options. In the window that appears, go to the Advanced tab. Now select Network. Under the Connections section, click on Settings. A new window will open where you should select Manual Proxy Configuration. Enter the IP and port of your proxy in the appropriate fields, depending on the protocol type. Click OK and close all windows. If you are using a personal proxy, a window will appear on the right side of the screen, prompting you to enter your username and password. Enter your login details and click OK. That's it! The proxy is now set, and the created profile will use the proxy you just configured when working with the selected resource. Let me remind you that your work as well as your account may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.